Have you ever tried sending a large videos on WhatsApp but it just won't send? Don't worry. There's a actually really simple way to do it on Android. First, open WhatsApp and go to chat where you want to send the video. Tap the attachment icon, but instead of selecting gallery, choose document. After that, go to choose from gallery option. Now find the video you want to send from your phone storage, select it and tap send. That's it, your video will be sent as a file instead of a regular WhatsApp video. This is especially useful if you want to keep the original video quality. But if the video is still too large, you have another option. You can compress the video using a video compressor app and then send the smaller version on WhatsApp. And if you are dealing with a really big video like a long 4K recording, I'd recommend using Google Drive. Just upload the video, copy the share link and send that link through WhatsApp. So if you're having the trouble sending a large video, try the document method first. It's quick, simple and you don't need any complicated step. And that's it. I hope this little trick helped. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.